Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of food safety management, the management of allergens as outlined in ISO 22000. In a world where consumers have diverse dietary needs, managing allergens becomes paramount in ensuring the safety and well-being of all. Let's explore the key principles and processes involved in effectively managing allergens within the framework of ISO 22000. Understanding the significance of allergen management. At the core of ISO 22000 is a commitment to providing safe and quality food products. Allergen management is a critical component of this commitment, recognizing that certain individuals may have allergic reactions to specific ingredients. ISO 22000 places a strong emphasis on identifying, controlling, and communicating information about allergens throughout the food supply chain. Allergen risk assessment. The first step in allergen management is conducting a thorough allergen risk assessment. ISO 22000 guides organizations in identifying allergens that may be present in their products or processes. This assessment considers not only the ingredients but also potential cross-contamination points during production, storage, and handling. Establishing controls measures. Once allergens are identified, ISO 22000 requires the establishment of effective control measures. This includes implementing segregation measures, ensuring proper cleaning procedures, and employing dedicated equipment for handling allergenic ingredients. The goal is to prevent cross-contact and inadvertent exposure to allergens during the food production process. Clear labeling and communication. Clear and accurate labeling is paramount in allergen management. ISO 22000 mandates that allergenic ingredients are clearly listed on product labels, ensuring that consumers can make informed choices based on their dietary needs. Effective communication extends beyond labels, involving transparent communication throughout the supply chain and with end consumers. Employee training and awareness. ISO 22000 places great importance on the training and awareness of personnel involved in food production. All employees should be educated about the significance of allergen management, recognizing the potential impact on consumer health. Training ensures that staff is well equipped to implement control measures and respond appropriately to allergen-related situations. Verification and validation. To ensure the effectiveness of allergen management measures, ISO 22000 requires organizations to conduct regular verification and validation activities. This includes testing for the presence of allergens, auditing processes to confirm compliance, and validating cleaning procedures to minimize the risk of cross-contamination. Continuous improvement. As with all aspects of ISO 22000, a commitment to continuous improvement is fundamental in allergen management. Organizations should regularly review and enhance their allergen management practices based on emerging risks, technological advancement, and lessons learned from incidents. This iterative approach ensures that ongoing effectiveness of allergen controls. Collaboration with suppliers. Collaboration with suppliers is integral to effective allergen management. ISO 22000 encourages organizations to work closely with their suppliers to obtain accurate and up-to-date information about the presence of allergens in raw materials. This collaboration ensures that the entire supply chain is aligned in managing allergen-related risks. In conclusion, managing allergens is a key responsibility in food safety, and ISO 22000 provides a robust framework to address this crucial aspect. By conducting allergen risk assessments, implementing effective control measures, ensuring clear labeling and communication, prioritizing employee training, and embracing a culture of continuous improvement, organizations can uphold their commitment to providing safe and allergen-aware food products. Thank you for joining us today, and I encourage you to integrate these principles into your food safety practices for the well-being of consumers and the success of your organization. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.